Good morning, students. Today we will learn about the food we eat, but before that, answer me some of my questions. Can we learn if we are feeling tired or we have no energy? Can we play if we have no energy or we are feeling tired? Can we run if we have no energy? No. Answer will be no. Not possible. We need energy to do work. We need energy to do work. Whether it is learning or playing or any kind of physical work, we need energy to do work. Do you know from where this energy comes from or who gives us energy? Yes, food gives us energy. Who gives us energy? Food gives us energy. Yes, this energy comes from the food we eat every day. Food is very important for us. Do you know why your elder asked you to eat not just your favorite food but all food which is served on your plate, even though you may not like to eat it? This is because all type of food perform special kind of function in our body. There are different types of food and each food performs its own special function in our body. Some food gives us energy, some other help us to grow. So let's find out which food gives us energy to work and play. Oil, sugar, potato, rice, wheat are energy giving food. Oil, sugar, potato, rice are energy giving food. So these are called energy giving food which gives us energy. Now tell me children, are you of same height as you were in your previous class? No. Children keep growing taller and bigger. Some food type help us to grow and some food help us to make our body strong, make our muscle strong. Milk, eggs, pulses, meat, fish help us to grow, and these are called body building foods. These are called body building foods. Now we will discuss about the fruit and vegetables. I know many of you do not like to eat various vegetables like bottle gourd, spinach, cabbage, etc. But you know children, fruit and vegetables protect us from diseases. They protect us from illness. These are known as protective food. These are known as protective food. So, eat different variety of fruits and vegetable. Okay, not just your favorite ones. Now, how about milk? Yes, how about milk? Most of you children do not like to drink milk, but milk is important to our body. It helps us to grow, stay healthy, and also gives us energy. Hence, it is called complete food. Milk is called complete food. So, do not forget to drink milk every day. We should drink milk every day. Carrot, cucumber, tomato, onion, capsicum are some of vegetable you can eat raw. Now you will ask, what is the meaning of raw? Raw means the vegetable which we can eat without cooking. These are called raw vegetable. These are called raw vegetable. For example, carrot, cucumber, tomato, onion, capsicum are some of vegetable you can eat raw. So these are called eaten raw vegetables. So children, tell me, can you eat raw rice, raw pulses, raw potato? No. Some of them are hard to eat and some of them are tasteless. So we cook them before eating to make them soft and tasty. Vegetable and fruits either raw or cooked. We should wash them first before they reach our home. Vegetable and fruits go through many places and many hands, and during this they collect dust and dirt that can make us ill. That's why we should wash them properly before eating. Since the vegetable and fruits are washed, is it okay to eat fruits with dirty hands then? No, we should wash our hands for 20 seconds before every meal. Dirty hands have tiny things in hands which are called germs, which can make us sick. Apart from washing hands, there are other good eating habits that we should follow. Why does your mother at your home insist you to eat lunch, dinner, breakfast at same time, at a fixed time? Why? You know, having a meal at the same time is necessary as it helps in digestion. So we should change some of bad habits, like do not talk while eating. Do not talk while eating. This is considered as bad habit. This is considered as bad eating habit. Other bad habit, chewing with your mouth open and eating food too fast. So eat your food slowly, chew properly and don't talk while eating. Now we will summarize the chapter. Different food perform different kind of function in our body. Energy giving food like potato, oil, sugar, rice, wheat gives us energy. Gives us energy to work and play. To work and play. Protective food keep us healthy and protect us from illness. Bodybuilding food help us in grow and make our bones and muscle strong. Bodybuilding foods are milk, eggs, meat, fish. Help us to grow and make our body and muscles strong. And children, never forget to wash hands before every meal. Before every meal. And most important thing is never waste food. Never waste food. So children, this was all about food we eat. See the video and stay home, stay safe, eat healthy and think healthy. Thank you.